10 hacks to achieving the no makeup makeup look. Isn't it weird that we want to apply makeup that looks like we're not wearing makeup? Existential beauty crisis aside, the off-duty model no makeup vibes are here to stay. This look goes directly against the typical Instagram beauty looks we see a lot of today. Bold brows, full coverage foundation, winged liner, you know what I'm talking about. No makeup is basically the bare minimum, focusing more on the steps of application than the number of products. We've broken down the best tips and tricks for this natural trend, as well as rounded up our favourite products to get you there quick and easy. Number 1. Skin first. This look is all about glowing natural skin. Easiest way to get that? Actually have glowy natural skin. While not everyone has the amazing youthful glow of Amal Clooney or Jennifer Aniston, we know how to fake it. Before embarking on this no makeup journey, indulge in some skin prep. Using a hydrating face mask before applying makeup makes sure the skin is already supple and moisturised. Number 2. Prime. When you're going for a minimal look, a primer is the easiest way to get a smooth base. You can cater your product choices to what kind of look you're going for or your skin type. A pore-filling primer will smooth and fill any pores without clogging them, the way a thick foundation might. An illuminating primer will add that lit from within glow and make you look extra hydrated. Number 3. Go light on the coverage. Steer clear of thick, full coverage foundations for this look. Tinted moisturisers, BB and CC creams give your skin some extra hydration and still allow some of your freckles, redness and imperfections to shine through. Apply with a buffing foundation brush to cover more, or with a sponge to keep the dewiness. Number 4. Use a lightweight concealer for blemishes. If you're still not used to letting your blemishes or dark circles go uncovered, use a lightweight, hydrating concealer. Blend gently with your fingers. The warmth of your skin makes the product melt right in. Number 5. Cream everything. Creams make everything just blend and sink right in, and it tends to look more natural than powders. After applying your foundation and concealer, blend a cream bronzer with a damp sponge. Set it lightly with a powder bronzer if you're worried about everything lasting all day, or keep all the glowy goodness by locking in with a setting spray. Number 6. Dew is your friend. Adding a nice dewiness to the tops of the cheekbones can go a long way in making your face look natural but still glowy. Rather than going for a traditional shimmery highlighter, opt for a cream with a clear base. This basically looks just like sweat. Sounds gross, but trust us. Or a natural dew to the skin. The texture of the product will also blend right in with all the other cream products on the face. Number 7. Fake the flush. There's something about a natural blushed look to the skin that is so gorgeous and unpolished. Get that look the easy way by adding a little bit of cream blush to the apples of the cheeks, up onto the temples and right on the bridge of the nose. Number 8. Brush up brows. The best part of this look? Bushy, unruly brows are both accepted and encouraged. Enhance the beauty of your natural brows by simply using a brow gel with fibres and brushing them up and into place. Number 9. Light mascara, or skip it. The skin is the star of the show with this look, so it's okay to go light on the lashes. I know I haven't worn brown mascara since middle school, but unless you have super dark lashes naturally, it just lightly opens your eyes without looking too heavy. Curl your lashes and apply a brown mascara to the top and bottom lashes. Or really go for the natural look and skip mascara altogether. Rock those natural lashes. Number 10. popsicle lips. Ah, popsicles. Now I'm hungry. Anyhow, you know the look after you eat popsicles, where your lips just have a natural tint? Luckily, there are products that give you that same look without the sticky hands. Hack your way to this look by applying any lipstick and blotting off the excess with a tissue. Are you loving the natural makeup look as much as we are? Are there any hacks we missed? Let us know in the comments below. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe buttons and leave a comment below this video to let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below this video and let me know what you would like to see next and what type of videos you want me to create for you. I will be able to get back to you as soon as possible. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.